All right. Well, I'm Eric Green with Tax Rep Network. I am here with Nick Chandi. Nick is the founder of Forwardly. And if you're not familiar with Forwardly, you really should be, okay? Forwardly basically is just modernized and enabled instant payments and created a modern billing experience for its users. And so, Nick, first of all, thanks for taking the time to sit down and do this. All right. I really appreciate it because I know how busy you are.
Thank you, Eric. You too. It's great to be talking to you again, and thanks for having me.
Yeah, no, no. So,
Mhm.
can you just, for the folks who aren't familiar with Forwardly,
Mhm.
just talk about what it is, what it does, basically why everybody should be using it.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Forwardly is a modern accounts payable and accounts receivable platform. We help you, accountants and bookkeepers, CPAs, CFOs, to help streamline the bill pay operations of their clients. And we also work on the billing side, where you can receive automated payments from your clients, right? So that there's no AR, there's no bad debt, those kind of things. And we do all through this automation, which is very important part of today in the technology.
No, absolutely. I, I don't understand this. Why do you think firms are still struggling with
Mhm.
slow payments?
Yeah, that's a very interesting question. We talk to accountants almost every day, and we see, in the U.S. market still we are one of the very few countries in the world where a lot of work is being done manually. Okay? And systems are not connected. We still use checks. And we see in so many other countries, especially Europe, Australia, New Zealand, those kind of countries, they have completely eliminated checks, but we are still using checks. Okay? And other thing, we still have process. What we find is less than 10% of businesses, they have some kind of a system to streamline their bill pay operations or receiving money from your clients. And what we are finding is they're doing so much work manually, opening spreadsheet and the tracking in the notes here and there, and that's where all the inefficiencies come. I believe that's one of the reasons. And even though instant payment was launched a few years ago, and now it's been, I guess, 7, 8 years, but we have seen slow adoption, and you know people are still stuck with the ACH or wire or those kind of methods. And I believe most part the problem originate from a couple of things. We are still using checks. That's one problem, and we are still doing the work manually. Okay, and I think we need to make a switch and eliminate all those kind of bottlenecks, because problem with that one is if you don't have a system, okay, then what's going to happen? The mistakes are going to happen, right? Okay, and there will be errors, there will be duplicate payments, there will be fraud, all those kind of challenges happen, and you will run into compliance problems. All these things are tied to each other, Eric. That's what we are seeing in the industry.
And for the audience listening to this, watching this, uh,
Mhm.
I've run into this. What since I discovered Forley about a year ago,
Mhm.
talk to accounts, our tax rep members, we still have people that are holding out saying, I like to be involved in the process, and I think a lot of it is habit. They we
Mhm.
kind of we my generation, I'm older than you,
Mhm.
we're sort of
Mhm.
raised in this, right? That
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is the way you did it, and it sort of becomes like a rhythm. But what I've
yeah.
explained to people, and what I would explain to people listening to this, one, you're not valuing your time. Because if you're
Yeah.
going to go after tax season, you're going to start sending bills and then tracking it all. Two,
Mhm.
that all has to get into your QuickBooks or Xero or whatever you're using. So you've added time there.
Mhm.
But third, and I know this because we deal with a number of private equity folks who are
Mhm.
buying up accounting practices. If
Mhm.
this isn't automated, that is a major knock on what they're going to value it as, because
Yeah.
nobody wants a job. But if
Mhm.
you've got Forwardly in place and you've got your payments electronically coming in, which by the way ties right into your books, so you've eliminated hours, probably I'm going to guess over the course of the year, between the
Mhm.
bookkeeping and the billing and everything, probably 100 hours.
Yeah, very close to, yeah.
Yeah. And one is you eliminate that. Two, you eliminate mistakes. It just electronically feeds. There's no typos, transpositions, things that are
Mhm.
missed, double entries, any of that.
Mhm.
And three, you will boost the enterprise value of what it is when you go to sell. If you can say, yeah, our processes are automated, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Engagement letters are automated. Our payments from forwardly automated, right? Maybe it's the return prep and the bookkeeping is automated. I mean, still a human being's checking it, but
Mhm.
anybody could be dropped right in here and
Mhm.
system would run the same way. That is
Mhm.
very valuable. So this goes beyond just saving yourself some time and making sure you collect everything. This is actually boosting enterprise value. And if you can get somewhere between 3 and 4x, that
Mhm.
that adds up. That is
Yeah,
real, and
yeah,
it does.
yeah,
Um,
yeah.
and so I was going to ask you, well, how does forwardly improve cash? I mean, I think it's kind of obvious. How does it improve cash flow
Uh,
for the accountant?
I'll come to that one, but I want to have a comment on your note about the VC capital, private equity coming in the market. I was talking to an accountant almost a month ago or so, yeah, and he was trying to sell his practice, and but he has so much work being done manually. Tax documents they were still collecting, very manual way. People were dropping off the papers, and he wasn't getting the value he was expecting because what he told me, other accounting firm, that has everything in place. They have systems and they have processes. They were getting almost 35% more than what he was being offered. So but I have seen this in the market, and the thing here is, Eric, anytime you wanna build a good practice, a growing business, you need to have automation. You cannot expect yourself to provide great client advisory services to your clients, if you're still doing the work manually. That's not going to happen. Like with Forwardly, you get a full view in the cash flow position of your clients, and that's a great way to serve your clients because now you see the money coming in, money going out. And the other thing is because bill payment is such a critical part of any business operations. Now you are really involved in the client process, and it results into better client retention. Clients are going to stay with you for life, and for sure, when you have automation, and you will have time to provide more valuable services. That's what we are seeing. Obviously, there will be less mistakes. You talked about less errors, and you can do better compliance. We just a few months ago, we got a lot of requests about businesses who were trying to collect W-9 automatically on the platform because that was the 1099 season, and that's too late. The time to do it was last year, when you should have everything streamlined so that you have full information about your vendors and you push a button and then it goes for 1099. So those are the kind of things. And definitely, if you want to help your clients or advise them on the cash flow or any kind of meaningful services, you need to have full visibility into what's happening. And one of the best way to do is get involved into their bill pay process. You can see the money coming in, money going out. Okay? Those kind of things.
Absolutely. And it's just the improved cash flow is obvious, right? I
Yeah.
mean, you know, the funniest thing is I spoke to an enrolled agent has a huge practice here in Connecticut. And he's
Mhm.
always griping about the billing. And I said, do this. He's like, yeah, whatever. And I said, I'm just telling you, do this.
Mhm.
And he basically said, he thinks he got 2 weeks of his life back. That's an American vacation, right? Would you like
Mhm.
extra vacation a year? Why? Because you're going to actually get your money generally
Mhm.
up front, and you're not going to have to chase people, and you're not going to have to spend the
Yeah.
hours doing the
Yeah.
billing.
Mhm.
No, it's crazy. So you mentioned like the dashboard, the view, the overview. What is the client experience like? For those folks who've not used Ford?
Who use Forwardly, who doesn't use Forwardly?
who have not, and they're sitting listening to this and okay, so what is the client experience like
Yeah,
if I start using Forly? Like how simple
yeah,
to use?
yeah. It's a very simple to use. We ask you, your accounting system, whether you use QuickBooks Online, Xero, or any other. We support almost every major accounting system that is being used in the market today, and we fetch all your invoices and bills from the accounting system. And if you want to use Forwardly for your accounts receivable, you mentioned about the enrolled agent, who are still chasing payment. That's a very bad way of doing business, right? We should have collect automatic authorization from them and push an invoice as soon as the work is being done. You don't want to be at the mercy of your clients to when to pay you. At Forwardly, we collect those payments automatically. Anytime an invoice is issued, on the due date, money will be in your bank account. And once we have that kind of data, at Forwardly, well, I'm going to focus on the AP side. Let's say you need to pay your suppliers, and we have seen in some clients, they have multiple people who needs to be in the approval process. And we provide a dedicated email address to every business that joins Forwardly, so they can get all their supplier invoices coming to that email address. And we have AI vision models that read the data. And Eric, gone are the days when OCR was accurate maybe 80% or so, 80, 85, 70%. We saw those numbers, but now new generation of these AI models, they can bring data very, very accurate. We have seen in some cases almost 99% or more. That's what we see. So these models, they read those all bills, they capture all the data, line item, vendor name, invoice amount, due date, all that kind of data, and it code based on the previous history. It looks at your ledger, how you have done it before. It looks at that history and automatically forward that to right chart of accounts. Okay, then it route to the right people for approvals. Okay, if it's a marketing expense, maybe it needs to go to Jane for approval. Okay, so that's what happens. And when Jane approves it, and if she's the last person to approve it, payment is being made. Okay, and whether it's an ACH or next day or instant, depending on how you want to pay. We have seen, the clients who want to hold the payment till the last day. Okay, and then they push the button and the money is ending up on the other account, because now we have new payment rails like RTP, FedNow, those kind of systems. They can push the money from one bank account to another bank account almost instantly. So that's the way and at the end, we also sync the payment status, whether it's a partial payment or small amount, whatever it is, right? Or there was some kind of adjustments against credit notes. We can take care of those kind of things, and we completely sync with your accounting system. We can handle batch payment, we can schedule payments, all kind of things. Anything that you need to automate your business so that you can focus on the growth of your business, and you're helping your clients.
Yeah, get out of operations and really
Yeah,
get into sales, which is what the owner is supposed to be doing.
that's right.
So does this integrate with an existing billing system, or would it replace it completely?
Well, we integrate with the many, almost like I mentioned, all accounting systems, including NetSuite, Sage Intacct, and Xero, FreshBooks, and all major one. Yes, we integrate with almost all other accounting systems. Yeah, and we see some other clients. We have some clients who are using Ignition or Anchor, those kind of platform, and they use that as a kind of proposal management system, but they use Forwardly to get automated collection of your payments, because we can get the payment faster, not only faster but cheaper too. But that's our core business.
No, absolutely. So we're going to have a link
Mhm.
below, and so for anyone listening, go click the link, check out Forwardly. It will literally change your practice. And then frankly, you should be a hero and start talking to your clients about elevating their businesses, because it's game changing. Cash flow is the lifeblood of any business.
Yeah.
And They study this in MBA programs. Basically bankrupt by success, where companies have grown so fast the cash flow doesn't keep up. They
Hmm.
outrun their cash. And you look at these old books and they talk about the AR and the stretch period between when you bill and collect and all the rest. And I always I when I think when I whenever I'm in Forwardly and I think about that, I'm like, wow, I bet Graham and all these guys who wrote those old books that they use at Harvard, MBAs and Yale MBAs, it
Hmm.
would be life changing to them. If you get paid instantly,
Yeah, yeah,
all of a sudden it
yeah.
changes the whole model. And that is the key to success. So Nick, thanks for
It is.
taking time. Everyone listening, check out Forwardly. I'm going to put the link below. The goal of our automation guide is to get everyone to transform their business. I mean, I hate to use that word, but it's a transformative time with AI and all the automations. What people would used to do to start a business eh, is
Yeah,
nothing now.
nothing.
And,
Yeah.
and it's the key is the automations, and Forwardly is a huge one for cash flow, AR, AP, all of that. So, Nick, thank you. Thanks for taking
Th-
the time.
Thank you, Eric. Thank you very much for your time.